You know, it's amazing that the Bible calls the law the ministry of death. Isn't it amazing that the children of Israel, when they came out from Egypt, all the way to Mount Sinai, not a single one died. They murmured, they complained at the Red Sea, God opened up the sea. On the other side, they were good for 3 days. They complained at the bitter waters of Marah, God sweetened the waters with the cross, the tree. Then they were good for a few days, they complained again. How many know complaining is sin? Come on.
And the winner is...
No, we categorize sin, God doesn't. Right? So, if complaining is sin, how come no one died?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boys is the winner!